Hi guys, welcome to IT Expert again. In today's video, we will complete exercise 5 of the ICT Level 2 exam preparation worksheet. In this exercise, we need to calculate the total price for group booking. There are several groups, which include some adults and some juniors. The adult's ticket is £25, while the junior ticket is £17.50. If the tickets are above £50, they will have a discount of 10% to be applied. Let's start. We are going to format at the table. We select it and apply all borders. Also, we highlight the heading in a different color, for instance, pink. Now, let's resize all the columns, so the tables is easy to be read. Then we start with the formulas. We need to calculate the total price. In column E, we need to multiply the values in currency. Starting with the adults, we multiply number of adult tickets for the price for the adults. Then we do the same for the junior. At last we add these values together. So, in E7 we will do equal, open brackets, C7, times, I8, which we need to be locked with F4, to set it as absolute reference, close brackets. Then plus, open brackets, D7, time I9, F4 to set it as absolute reference, close brackets, and enter to finalize the formula. We drag down the fill handle to apply the formula until row 17. In column F, we needed to use the formula if, to check if a group paid more than £50. In that case, they will receive a discount of 10%, otherwise they will pay the full price. Let's start writing the formula, equal, if, open brackets, E7 bigger than 50, comma, E7 times 90%, comma, E7, close brackets, and enter to finalize the formula. Now we will apply this formula to the whole column by dragging the fill handle. Let's format this data as accounting, and at last, we need to create the total, so we select the cell F18 and we use the AutoSum formula. There we go. So now at last, we need to create the graph. We need to select from B6 to B17, all down control, select from F72 to F17. Make sure you don't include the totals. Then press F11 to generate the graph. Let's rename the tab as C6 and move it after E5. You are free to change the formatting of the graph as you like, for instance, colors, legend, headlines, totally up to you. There you go. Follow us for more and write on the comments if you have any special requests. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.